Isn't that a beautiful sight, you guys? Motor Coach Country Club, Indio, California. Look at those clouds. Boy, it was raining last night. Hey everybody, welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. I'm gonna flip you around real quick and take you on a tour of Coach 1257. So let's do it. I am doing a pre-recorded because I'll be traveling on Monday, so let's go. All right. Off there in the distance, Coach 1257 on the Marathon double lot. Motor Coach Country Club, arguably, as you know, and we've talked about before, one of the best RV parks in the nation, perhaps the world. A good shot of the clubhouse. Hey, hey. Built about 22 years ago, you guys. This park is fantastic. And here's a really good view for you of the 2018 X3 double slide Marathon Coach number 1257. Isn't that something? 1257, back on consignment. I love this paint job. I've said it before on this show over the years. This paint job, Coach 1257, one of my favorites of all time. Look at these beautiful flowers. Really looks great. We're gonna go inside and look at 1257. This coach is for sale. So if you're looking to get into a late model X3, this is a really good option for you. Look at that entry door. Very nice. Only 43,000 miles on this coach. Beautiful floor here that goes from the cockpit all the way to the beginning of the bedroom. Bedroom has carpet. This is a really nice coach. Jackknifing sofa there on the driver's side. Large occasional table with cocktail pullout and recliner on the curb side. Lots of natural light coming in through the galley. Five TVs in this coach, 5 of them. I'm gonna show you where that 5th one is hiding. Some of you guys already know it. Sub-Zero refrigerator there on your curbside, patio side. One of the finest features of this coach, look at this shower. One of the things not to overlook about this shower is also how large this seat is. It's got a really large seat and ledge. Now that seat on the video might look narrow, but trust me, it's over a foot in depth. Isn't that nice? I've always loved the shower of 1257. And then on the other side of the hallway, the water closet. Love the backsplash here too. It's the same tile work that you find in the shower feature. Large deep bowls and lots of countertop space in this water closet. And right there is your 5th television or monitor right there in the water closet. All right, let's head into the bedroom. double closets in here. Actually 3. I'm going to show you. On the driver's side, you've got a large closet with good creative storage. Not only here, with those 2 drawers there, and a 4-foot hanger bar above, but you've got storage here. Which is really nice for everything from socks to rolled underwear, you name it. Shirt closet over on this side. You guys have seen the shirt closets. We don't need to jump in there. Lots of drawers there. Drawers above the bed, below the bed. And look at how much storage is across from the bed. 6 drawers that are facing, and some cabinets, not only on the lowers, but the uppers. These also open here and give you lots of storage in here. Samsung 4K smart TVs throughout this coach also, you guys. 2018 X3 Marathon 1257 with a large closet in the rear. Stacking Ascos. Actually, this washer dryer is brand new. These were replaced when the current owner purchased this coach. Also, batteries and tires were replaced in Coach 1257 literally in September. So, what's that, 4 months ago, you guys? Give you a nice shot of the bed here. It's just a really nice coach throughout. Now, if you're looking to get into a late model, this is going to be one of the best options in the United States for you. L-shaped dinette. Look at all the natural light that comes through in this coach. All the way around. It's just so nice. Yeah. All right. We're going to go outside and look one more time. Oh, yeah, don't forget, it's got that fireplace right behind the driver. And a really, really great colors in the cockpit. Nice. It's just a really, really nice, classy coach. We're going to walk around one more time on the exterior. Those pretty flowers there too. Shut this entry door. And I am not on purpose going to show you the build outs that are in the bays, because if you're interested in this coach, I want you to reach out to me, because it's got great barbecue and storage in Bay 1 and Bay 2 right there on Coach 1257. But I want to end it with a really wide shot of the entire side of this coach, because this is where it just stands out. I love watching this coach drive down the road. Beautiful colors. This coach was designed, the exterior was done by Pete Sutton, our head of marketing. Isn't that something? And if you get right up on it, you can see the texturing detail in that pearl white. And that's just beautiful. '18 Marathon Coach 1257, you guys. 43,000 miles. Very low miles for a 2018. Not very low, but accurate. Well-maintained West Coast coach. You know how to get a hold of me, MalW, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. If you're looking to trade up, if you're looking to get into a marathon, I can't think of a better X3 in the country than 1257. Feel free to reach out to me and let's get you into this. All right, you guys, don't forget to be yourself and do good things. I'm traveling today, so a big thanks to Pete Sutton for hanging out with me today as we are going to put this on a pre-recorded episode. So I'll see you next week live from the mothership. See what's going on in Oregon on the production floor with the latest from Marathon. All right, you guys, take care.